Dear students, this is Mentors English Express and I'm Sudha Oberoi. In my previous video of writing skill, I had explained how to write a classified advertisement and a notice to the students of classes 11th and 12th. In this video, I am going to explain you how to write formal and informal invitations. Let us understand invitations. Invitation is a kind of personal notice sent individually to people, inviting them to attend some particular function. Children, we all get invitations sometimes in our life. Sometimes we get formal invitations and sometimes we get informal invitations. Invitations are of two kinds. One is formal invitation and the other is informal invitation. Let us first understand formal invitation. Drafting or designing an invitation is a skill. You will have to follow the format strictly. Here are few points to remember. First is, this is generally a printed invitation card through which we invite guests on some auspicious occasions like weddings, birthdays, inauguration of shops, etc. It has a specific format and is written in third person. You have to remember the format strictly and follow it also strictly, and it is written in third person. Each information is to be mentioned in a separate line. You must make sure that the information is placed in center and there is equal space on both sides, that is the left and the right side of the line. Each line can have information of different size. Different size means amount of words. You can write one single word in a line, maybe 2, 3, 6 or 7. But you have to remember that there should be equal space on both sides, that is left and right side of the line. Word limit is 50 words. These are the basic steps to write an invitation. First step is you have to write or begin an invitation with name of the host or organization. Then you have to make a cordial request. Then you have to mention function, event or occasion. Below it you have to write day and date. Both you have to write day and date. Then you have to write venue and time. Below it you have to mention name of the chief guest if required, and below name his designation in bracket. Children, there are few invitations in which we do not mention chief guest. So you need not write. You can omit this point, but wherever you require to mention, you must mention below venue and time, and you must write his designation in the bracket below. Then on the left side you have to write RSVP, and on the right side you have to request the guest to be seated. These are the basic points which you have to keep in your mind. Let us understand it through an example. This is the first sample for you. As the principal of St. Peter's School, Delhi, which is celebrating its silver jubilee at 6 p.m. on 25th November 2021 in the school auditorium, design an invitation card to be sent to parents and other invitees. The Chief Minister of Delhi has agreed to be the chief guest on the occasion. See, as I told you, we have to begin with the host. Here the hosts are the principal, staff and students of St. Peter's School, Delhi. Cordially invite you on the occasion of its Silver Jubilee celebrations. Silver Jubilee celebration is the event. On Saturday, the 25th November 2021 at the auditorium at 6 p.m. Now we have mentioned the chief guest. If name is not mentioned, you can mention Shri XYZ. You have to write the designation below it, that is Chief Minister of Delhi has kindly consented to be the chief guest. On the left side, as I told you, you will write RSVP. Here RSVP is Administrative Officer. His phone number is given. On the right side, leaving the line of RSVP, beginning from the line of Administrative Officer, you will mention the guests are requested to be seated by 5:45 p.m. 15 minutes before the program starts. So children, first you have to mention the name of the host, then cordially invite, Then you have to mention the event. Here I have left a line so that there is clarity of the event. Then day and date, then venue and time. After that, if chief guest is there, you have to mention his designation, RSVP, and you have to make a request to the guest. Let us understand it with the help of another example. Here is next sample. National Museum and Bal Bhavan Society India are holding an on-the-spot painting competition for school children at Bal Bhavan, Kotla Marg, New Delhi on 29th October 2021 at 10 a.m. Draft an invitation card to be sent to different schools. See, as I told you, we will begin with the name of the hosts. Here the hosts are National Museum and Bal Bhavan Society. So both the names are mentioned. Invite participation for Delhi region in on-the-spot painting competition. This is the name of the event. Under the following categories, because painting competition has got categories. So I have mentioned group, age and theme. There is A group. The age of the A group is 5 to 12 years and the theme is Save the Environment. Group B has age group of 13 to 17 years and the theme is Integration of Environment and Development. Then you have to mention date, venue and time. Here I have mentioned date, venue and time in this manner, one below the other. Date 29th October 21, venue Bal Bhavan, Kotla Marg, New Delhi, time 10 a.m. Then if there is any specific instruction you want to give, you can mention below. Here I have written no registration or entry fee. Participants are required to bring their own painting material and drawing board. Drawing paper will be provided at the competition site. So as I told you children, we began with the name of the host. Then invitation was there. Then name of the event was there. Then it was divided into categories and then date, venue and time was mentioned. Here we did not require the name of the chief guest as we have not invited, so we have omitted that point. Then specific information was given. Children, I hope that you have understood how to write formal invitation. Now you will be able to draft and design formal invitation. Here are two questions for practice. You can practice them and see how confident you will become. You can download the PDF containing answers from my Facebook page, the link of which is given in the description below. Let us understand informal invitation. Informal invitations are written as personal letters as generally sent to friends, cousins, relatives, etc. You have been writing these letters. Even then, let us recall few points. It is written in first and second person. Language is more warm and personal, that is informal. Venue, date and time are mentioned as it is an invitation. You have to give these details. Let us see the sample. Dhruv has been selected for electronic engineering in IIT Mumbai. He has decided to have a party for his friends. Write an informal invitation giving details of venue, time and date. See, the invitation has been put in the box. Here, the address of the person who is inviting is written. Then, dear friends, do join me for an evening bash at the Aryans Phoenix Mall, Kanpur on Saturday, 15th July 21 around 5 p.m. This is to celebrate my selection for electronic engineer in IIT Mumbai. Looking forward to meet you all. It will be great fun. See, this is written like a letter. Address is there. Then all the details are given that the party is on Saturday, date is given, timing is given and the reason for celebration is also mentioned. Then you have to write yours friend and you have to write your name below it. So it is put in a box. It is a simple letter in an informal way. Here also there are two questions for you to practice. Practice them and you can send them for correction also. You can download the PDF containing answers from my Facebook page, the link of which is given in the description below. Children, if you have enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe it. You can also post your comments in the comments box below. Thank you.